Hello guys, thank you for coming to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about the charging, not Tesla cars. I'm gonna talking about Electrify America. You know that I changed my car. I got the BMW iX X50. Super nice car, super soft. Wow, like driving this car is like I enjoy every moment of this car. But the charging is crazy. The Tesla superchargers, just crazy, crazy good. If you compare to that Electrify America bullshit. Because right now, I'm parked here at Electrify America. I preconditioned my car, and we have here the Electrify America. I think it's Electrify America. Yeah, it's Electrify America. We have here 150 kilowatt up to 150 kilowatt. But I have charging only 46 kilowatt speed, and I check everybody else. It's same problems everywhere. Let me just show you my speed. You can see here 46 kilowatt. Crazy. I'm gonna stay here like for an hour to charge it till 80%. Crazy. And I check everybody here. There is like 10 stalls here, and everybody have the same speed as I have. Yeah, let me just turn the camera on me. Yeah, the charging infrastructure, not Tesla superchargers, but the other superchargers sucks. And I'm really want to try to go on some road trip and see how it's gonna be working there. But now, what I see now, it's like sucks. Everybody's staying and everybody just waiting because the speed is whatever. That's all we have. Well, that's my experience of the Electrify America so far, and I'm not really like it compared to the Tesla, of course. And I know you're gonna be writing in the comments, yeah, we told you that the Tesla supercharger network is the best. I know, but the driving experience, it's nothing compared to the BMW that I have right now with the Tesla that I have before. I have before Tesla Model Y. Not really enjoy that car. I mean, if you're driving a lot, if you're not driving only on the highways, if you're driving just in the city with the bumpy roads and that stuff, and also on the highway, it's super loud inside of the car. But here on the BMW, it's not loud. It's very nice and easy. But I mean, yeah, the Electrify America chargers is sucks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna post more video like this. I think. I mean, we'll see. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.